Okay, C38, 1853, 22 December selection. Okay, data vmac text type mac text vmatna type matna vspross types pros it mac, which is internal type standard table of MAKT with header line parameters pmatna type matna pspross types pros select all from MAKT into table it mac where matna equals pmatna. Select mac into table it mac where matna equals pmatna pros equals pspross. Okay, check, activate. Direct processing. The benign FG English execute. Okay. Select all from MAKT into table item where matna equals p matna pros equals p pros. Activate. Direct processing. LP9 FG English. Okay. Now let's change the syntax a little bit and see what it says. Select all from a into table if piece process is not initial. Not initial means if it is empty. Initialize means it is having some data. Okay, some fields are mandatory to be initialized. Initial means initial value. It cannot be empty. Means not initialized. Not initialized, no data. Select all from MAKT into table ITMAC where matner equals p matner pros equals p pros. Else select from MAKT into table item where matna equals pmat. Okay, the logic is good, but why isn't not helping us? Else. Okay, let's check. Expected after else. And if check, activate. Direct processing. Okay, now it's giving us the whole um, description. Okay. Test one, finish goods, execute, finish goods. Okay, let's good omen. Okay. So it's because these goods are made in just one plant. That's why it is showing only one record. So let's go back rather. Material master, environment, material ledger, extend material, mm50. Plant is L9P1, LAP, LAP9FG, LAP9FG. Okay, FERT means finished product. This is the plant, storage location, material description, and this is, what is this? A assets order. Rest I can't recall. This is order, assets. Rest I cannot actually recall. Okay. Libinite FG 8842. Problem class, very important. The data does not exist on materials in plant L9P1. Okay. Trying to create 342. Okay. MMCC. L9NS, L9P1. Trying to change the data does not exist for material in plant. You want to call material. Material master whose data has not been entered to plant L9P1. It may also that you have entered a plant even though you don't have to specify plant. For example, in this case, you enter a plant. Want to extend this material. Let's check Google for this. Google has the best answers. And material, one plant to another. Google 0 enter the material number and copy. Here enter information on your copy. Enter on your voice to which. MM70. Okay, material, new material type, LAP9FG. ROH, raw, execute. Not be changed. Reason for the evaluator solve exists. Three evaluation areas have accounted for directly first. Evaluation area L9P1. Okay. MM17 was maintenance. You see, we have so many tables, but anyways, we are just uh, going from one window to another. So let's move forward. But anyways, okay. So we have got um, the logic here. The logic is quite simple. And the logic was that if price is not initialized, select all from MACD into table, where matna is P matna and price equal to P price, else select all into where matna is equal to P matna. So if spras is not entered, it will just take care of P matna. Loop at IT mact, which because in IT mact it is populated, and it will keep looping until all the material references are produced, which is IT mact matna number, English, and language and description. So it has produced description. Okay. Okay. Select options. We can also use select options. Right. Select options, of course, that will be your assignment for the next one. Just give me a select options, how you will actually produce with select options. Okay, next program, create ZT53, select options, 22 December, executable program. VMAC text, Matna, Spras, okay, ITMAC type standard table header line, SMATNA for VMATNA. Select options for VMATNA, SPRAS for VSPRAS. Select all. Select all from into table ITMAC where MATNA is equal to SMATNA. Do what ITMAC. Okay. Check. Activate. Okay, now we have a list of all the materials. Okay. So we have material number, language, and material description. So let's copy the previous. If SPRAS is not initialized, and if, and what if we, and if check PSPRAS, SPRAS, PMATNER, PMATNER, which line? 18. P mat. S matner. P matner is unknown. 21. P spras is unknown. S pras. So end if is blocking it because it is taking this as a condition as well. S matna for V matna, S pras for V spras. Okay. Select all from Mammaketeam to IT Mat, where matna in S matna and spras in S pras. P spras, type spras obligatory. Obligatory. Okay. Check. Okay. Okay, let me remove this. Select options. Select options S matter for V matter, no extension, no intervals. S pras for V pras, no extension, no intervals. Okay. Program 29. Line 29 in current national component. My selection screen must be closed by selection screen. End of block. Oh, end of block B1. End of block B1. End of block B1. Activate Matner. Execute. Okay. Okay, selection screen, of course, is your screen, the first screen of input, begin of block B1. You actually write block codes in blocks with frame title text 01, and I've double clicked text 01, create yes, and 01 will be text will be select options for material Matna, Spras, Matex, save, check, activate, direct processing. So changing it. Select options. Okay. End of block. Check. Activate. Oh, activated. Direct processing. Okay. Let's write another program. B3. Select options with block. Okay. Data vMacText, type MacText, Matna, Spras, IT Mac. Type standard table of MAKT with a header line. Select options S Matna for vMatna, S Spras for vSpras. Select MAKT into IT table Matna in S Matna, where Matna in S Matna, Spras in S Spras. Loop at IT Mac. Check. Activate. Direct processing. Okay, we have this. Now let's change this code. Selection screen, begin of block B2 with frame, and selection screen, end of block B2. Okay, selection screen, which is the main screen where we give select options, SMATNA, SPRAS for vSPRAS. We've already done that. So select options, we are defining SMATNA and SPRAS over here. This is one block of your code. Okay. Let's delete this one. Start of selection. Check, activate. Okay. So start of selection is basically uh, start of selection basically is your code block where actually you give logic. So you can write start of selection over here as well. ABAP is basically writing your code within these selection blocks. Okay, direct processing. Okay. Okay, and if I keep this empty, it will give me just one uh, record. It will just ignore the other one. Okay, so that is it. And let's go to text elements, go to text elements. We can give our selection tests here. Okay, SMATNA is material number, SPRAS is language. Okay, so this is basically the fields that we are using. Okay, okay, activate direct processing, material number, language. Okay, this is how you do it. Let's do another one. CT53 selections. Okay, begin of TYVBRK and type network K KUNRGFK dat and TYVBRK is done. Types begin of TVVBRP. Now, what is VBRP? These are table names. So these are types of tables we are creating here. We are creating a replica of these tables. Type T06A, and this is a replica of that table with some fields. So you can copy some fields, not entire table. ITVBRK, okay, VBRK. And work area, type VBRK. VName, type name1 GP. This is the standard name of a field. ITVBRP and WAVBRP. Okay, ITT06A, W80. Why do we need work area? Because it will append any data and record into this and display anything that is in here through this. Okay, quantity type I, integer. Parameters P Veblen V, F, PPs, Pbox, checkbox, select, single, network, conrogue, FKDAT from VBRK into work area where VBLN equals PVBLN. Okay, we will execute this program in the next lecture. We will just save it right now. Okay, and let's see what this is. Check. There are many areas. Loop is unknown. Okay, we'll have to remove all these. We'll do this in the next one.